Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, Lord Hermosillia. There are lots of Filipino foods that includes coconut milk, from viands to desserts, pork, chicken, beef, fish, or shellfish. But this Ginataang Pusit or squid in a coconut milk is so simple and it takes only a few minutes to cook. But of course, the taste is authentically delicious. So without any further ado, it's time for me to show you how. Alright, we have here 1/2 kilogram of our squid. This is already washed and cleaned. So kung napapansin niyo po, ang laki po ng ating squid, no? So yan, binili po yan ng aking hubby sa Quezon Province. So we're going to cut it into small cubes lang. So, kapag pipili or bibili po pala kayo ng pusit, make sure po na it's shiny pa and syempre, slightly translucent pa po ang appearance nito. Avoid niyo po ang medyo may slimy or dull looking squid na, tapos medyo na meron na pong amoy kasi nangangahulugan lamang po na ito ay hindi na po fresh or hindi na po sariwa dahil 24 hours lang po ang freshness nito. Yung iba nga po ay nilalagyan na lang po ng yelo para mapanatili po ang freshness ng ating squid. Ang technique ko po sa paghuhugas ng squid ay running water lang. Tapos squeeze lang po natin or tanggalin lang po natin yung mga excess water. Tapos lalagyan ko lang po ito ng salt para matanggal po yung dulas ng ating meat or ng ating squid meat. Tapos kailangan lang po natin itong banluan muli. At ito na po yung ating pusit, cutted into small cubes na. Siyempre, kailangan po natin ng 1 medium size of our onion, chopped. And then, ang ating 4 cloves of garlic, peeled and chopped din. Tapos, kailangan din po natin ng 1 thumb of ginger, of course, peeled and chopped pa rin. At meron din po tayong Supreme Sarap Maggi All-in-One Cooking Sauce. Yan po ang ating oyster sauce. Tapos we have here fresh gata or Coco Mama fresh gata at saka vinegar. Kailangan din po natin ng kapirasong butter. So ayan, ilagay na po natin yung ating butter sa mainit na kawali. Hintayin lang po natin na mag-melt ang ating butter. And then once po na naging melted na po ang ating butter, ay magsasaute na po tayo ng ating garlic, onion, and ginger. So saute lang po natin ito for a few minutes. And when the aromatic flavor comes out, ilalagay na din po natin yung ating squid. So ayan, give it a sear at timplahan na po natin ito ng ating salt and pepper. Then lagyan din po natin ito ng mga 2 to 3 piraso ng ating bay leaves para mas mabango po ang ating niluluto at takipan na po natin ito. So we're going to simmer it to moderate heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, ay ilagay na po natin ang ating oyster sauce. Tapos, lagyan po natin ito ng a little amount of vinegar lamang po at haluin po ito ng mabuti para pumantay ang lasa nito. So, don't overcook po the squid ha, so it won't be get too tough or hindi po siya maging rubbery. Dahil matigas po yan kapag na-overcook. And now, let's pour in our coconut milk at hintayin lang po natin itong kumulo ng saglit hanggang sa maluto po ang ating gata. And then, tikman niyo po ang lasa para ma-adjust niyo po ang timpla if necessary. You can add po sili if you want po na medyo spicy po ang ating ginataang pusit. Halimbawa naman po ay naging rubbery po ang squid meat na niluto mo, all you have to do is continue cooking lang po. So that's right. Tama po ang narinig ninyo. You have to cook it again hanggang po sa lumambot po muli ang ating squid meat at di na po maging rubbery ang texture nito. Yan. So, malapit nang maluto, di ba? See? Ayan. So, now that the sauce is already thickened and it's already milky and creamy, ay, nako, ano pang hinihintay nyo? It's ready to serve na, kaya't kainan na. if you're in a diet and looking for something that is rich in protein, but you don't want to eat pork or lamb, this squid recipe fits to that. If you like this recipe, just like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Lagi po nating tatandaan, ang mga bagay-bagay ay napag-aaralan yan. Basta, may tiyaga ka lang. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!